Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki SX4 S-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to play music from smartphone via car's system. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth, and now enter music. Enter menu and select Bluetooth. Now you can play anything you want from your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.